Hey folks, today I'm diving into how ChatGPT is changing the AI game. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a breakthrough in conversational AI and it's revolutionizing how we interact with machines. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's an AI model that understands and generates human-like text. From customer support to content creation, ChatGPT does it all. Why does ChatGPT stand out? First, it mimics human conversation patterns, making interactions super smooth and natural. No steep learning curves here. It's versatile across use cases. Need to draft an email, brainstorm ideas, troubleshoot issues? ChatGPT's got your back. It's also continuously learning and updating, ensuring it stays at the cutting edge of AI innovation. Now let's talk benefits. ChatGPT enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks so you can focus on what truly matters. It's cost-effective, reducing overhead for tasks like customer support or content creation. And it's accessible 24/7, providing assistance whenever needed. How are businesses and individuals using ChatGPT? Companies rely on it for customer engagement, handling inquiries, and even managing e-commerce interactions. With integration into platforms like Slack and CRM tools, it's a game changer for teams. For individuals, ChatGPT is a lifeline. Students, writers, and freelancers use it to research, draft, and refine their work. Its ability to simplify complex topics is a huge plus for learning and personal growth. Looking ahead, the future of ChatGPT is even brighter. Picture this: multimodal capabilities and deeper contextual understanding, making ChatGPT an even more integral part of AI-driven communication. In short, ChatGPT is a stellar example of how AI complements human efforts, streamlining processes and unlocking creativity. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, integrating ChatGPT into your workflow can be transformative. Experience the power of ChatGPT and step into the future of AI-driven communication today.